Here we're talking about the standard equation of the circle, which is something that we can see pretty readily, especially if we take into consideration our Triple T math document. Don't look at the answer options right away, they'll only confuse you, but it can be useful to look at the answer format. And looking at the answer format, we can see it's the standard equation of a circle. So now let's go ahead and take the two pieces of information that we know, which are the center and the radius, and figure out how we can plug those into the equation and start eliminating answer options. Now, an important thing to know is whatever the center is, when it goes into the actual standard equation of the circle, because of the fact that you have these minus signs in the standard equation, that really could be translated as opposite, opposite. So if this is negative 32.7, we're looking for a positive 32.7 in the equation. And if this is a negative 9.08, we take the opposite and get a positive. Of course, if it was already positive, the opposite would be a negative. So we're looking for positive, positive. I wouldn't actually write that out. I would just look at it and say, okay, opposite, opposite. In this case, it's going to be positive, positive. And now that we did something, we identified the center and know that we have to do opposite, opposite. We're certain on that part of the answer. So let's go ahead and eliminate what it definitely can't be. So if we do opposite, opposite, so we said positive, positive, this one's okay. This one's okay. I guess really they're all okay. So in this case, that actually didn't do anything for us. So what it comes down to is what the radius is going to be on this right side. So notice those are all different. And what's important to note is that in the standard equation of a circle, it's always equal to r squared. So if they say r, the radius is root 10, when you square both sides, the square and square root cancel, so you get r squared is 10. So it should be 10 on the right side of the equal sign, not root 10, not root 20, not 100. So that makes the correct answer C.